Hey there, car enthusiast. Today we are diving into the world of car as we unveil the top 10 best-selling cars of 2024. From compact sedans to rugged trucks, these vehicles have captured the hearts and minds of drivers around the globe. Let's take a closer look. First on our list is the Toyota Corolla, a true icon of reliability and affordability. With its legendary reputation of durability and fuel efficiency, it's no surprise that the Corolla continues to be a top choice for drivers worldwide. From busy city streets to winding country roads, the Corolla is the perfect companion for any journey. Next up, we have the Ford F-Series, America's best-selling truck for over 4 decades. With its unrivaled towing capacity and rugged durability, the F-Series is the go-to choice for drivers who need a vehicle that can handle tough jobs and everyday adventures alike. Whether you are hauling cargo, towing a trailer, the F-Series is built to get the job done. But let's not forget about the Honda Civic, a compact car that packs a punch. With its sporty styling and nimble handling, the Civic is perfect for drivers who want a fun and practical ride. From daily commutes to weekend road trips, the Civic delivers an exhilarating driving experience every time. Now on to Volkswagen Golf, a versatile hatchback that's beloved by drivers around the world with its spacious interior and European-inspired design. The Golf is the perfect blend of style and functionality. Whether you are zipping through city streets or crashing down the highway, the Golf is sure to turn heads wherever you go. And who could overlook the Toyota RAV4, a compact SUV that's redefining the segment. Whether it's rugged good looks and impressive off-road capabilities, the RAV4 is the ultimate adventure companion. Whether you are tackling through terrain or running errands around town, the RAV4 is ready for anything. Meanwhile, the Chevrolet Silverado is dominating the truck market with its powerful performance and redefined interior. With its bold styling and advanced technology features, the Silverado is the perfect blend of strength and sophistication. Whether you are hauling heavy loads or crashing onto open road, the Silverado is up to the task. Switching gears, we have the Honda CR-V, a compact SUV that's perfect for families on the go. With its spacious interior and advanced safety features, the CR-V offers a peace of mind on every journey. Whether you are running errands or embarking on a cross-country road trip, the CR-V has you covered. Now let's talk about the Ford Focus, a compact car that's known for its agile handling and fuel efficiency. With its sleek design and responsive performance, the Focus is the perfect choice for drivers who want a dynamic driving experience. Whether you are navigating city streets or crashing on the highway, the Focus delivers an exhilarating ride every time. And then there's the Toyota Camry, a mid-size sedan that's synonymous with reliability and comfort. With its spacious cabin and smooth ride, the Camry is perfect for drivers who want a refined and comfortable driving experience. Whether you are commuting to work or taking a road trip with the family, the Camry offers comfort and convenience at every turn. Last but not least, we have the Nissan Altima, a mid-size sedan that's known for its sleek design and advanced technology features. With its powerful engine options and spacious interior, the Altima is the perfect blend of style and performance. Whether you are cruising on a highway or navigating city streets, the Altima offers a smooth and responsive ride every time. And there you have it, folks, the top 10 best-selling cars of 2024. From compact sedans to rugged trucks, these vehicles have captured the hearts and minds of drivers. So friends, that's our today's video. If you think this video is helpful for you and it gave you some knowledge,